Also, Lani and Judy love to sing. But before they sing, they need to have a warm up first. Okay, buddy, let's do the warm up. Next is the first song. Okay, again. For the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within their birthday? Okay, again. Again, sing happy birthday. Okay, last one. Last one, sing happy birthday. So everyone, a round of applause to Mimicking Bird, name Lani and